Microsoft Windows 10 offers many features and services that can enhance your user experience and productivity. It also collects various types of data for purposes such as personalization and system improvement. For example, some features may collect and send your personal information to Microsoft or its partners. Some services may access your location or other sensitive data, and some apps may run in the background even when you are not using them. However, if you prefer to limit the amount of data shared with Microsoft and third-party services to maintain privacy and security, here are a few settings you should consider turn off today. Microsoft collects diagnostic and usage data to improve the user experience and troubleshoot issues. This includes about your device's performance, usage, and errors to improve its products and services. However, it can also contain sensitive information about your device and activities. Choosing a lower telemetry setting, such as Basic, helps strike a balance between contributing to system improvements and maintaining a higher level of privacy. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Diagnostics or Feedback and select the option that says, Required Diagnostic Data. This will limit the data collection to the minimum required for Windows 10 to function properly. Windows 10 assigns users a unique advertising ID to personalize ads based on your interests. And while using Windows 10, all usage behavior is recorded through the unique advertising ID to display personalized ads. But the problem is that this digital footprint does not remain only on Microsoft servers, since it also ends up in the hands of other companies. Disabling personalized ads ensures that users are not subjected to targeted advertising campaigns that rely on sensitive personal data. Some applications and services use your device's location to provide location-based services. While location services can be useful for some apps, such as maps or weather, but they can also be misused by malicious actors to track your movements and activities. Turning off location access globally or for specific apps prevents unnecessary tracking of your physical whereabouts. In Windows 10, applications also request various permissions to access features like the camera, microphone, location, and more. App permissions can be necessary for some apps to function properly, such as video calls or social media, but they can also be abused by malicious apps or hackers to spy on you or steal your data. By turning off app permissions, you regain control over what data applications can access and use on your device. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and select the category of app permissions you want to review. For each category, you can see which apps have access to that information and toggle them off as needed. Windows 10 allows apps to run in the background to stay updated and provide notifications. Background apps can be useful for some apps that need to update or notify you regularly, such as email or news, but they can consume system resources and may pose privacy risks. Disabling unnecessary background apps can improve system performance and limit the data these apps can access. You can open Windows Settings, navigate Privacy, then Background Apps. Toggle off the option that says, Let apps run in the background. You can also choose which apps you want to allow or not by toggling the individual options below. Continuous synchronization of data between devices can pose privacy risks, especially if sensitive information is involved. Users can prevent constant synchronization by adjusting settings to sync only when necessary, minimizing exposure to potential data breaches or unauthorized access. Open Windows 10 Settings, go to Account, then Windows Backup. Here toggle off sync settings. You can also choose which settings you want to sync or not by toggling the individual options below. Windows updates also include telemetry data and usage statistics, which are uploaded to Microsoft servers. Blocking updates from uploading data helps maintain privacy by limiting the amount of information shared with external parties. Open Settings, navigate Update and Security, then Windows Update. Go to Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization, and toggle off the Allow Downloads from Other Computers option. Also, opting for a local user account instead of a Microsoft account can enhance your privacy by limiting the amount of personal information shared with Microsoft servers. When setting up your Windows 10 device, choose the option to create a local account rather than signing in with a Microsoft account. This approach reduces the data Microsoft collects and minimizes the risk of potential privacy breaches associated with online account synchronization. Additionally, using a local user account provides greater control over your device and ensures that your personal information remains more secure within your local environment. By implementing these privacy measures, you not only regain control over your digital footprint but also create a more secure computing environment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your feedback on the comments below.